welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to project balances by paycheck schedule Simplifi Quicken. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to certainly do this, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Simplifi by Quicken. Once you have done this, you need to set up recurring paychecks. If Simplifi hasn't automatically identified your paychecks as recurring income, you need to add them manually by navigating to the settings option. You can click on the plus series or plus add button and choose an existing downloaded paycheck transaction to use as template. Now you can ensure the details, set the frequency, and click on create. You can use the projected cash flow feature and you can simply follow the steps that are given on screen. After doing this, you can use your paycheck schedule to effectively plan ahead, anticipate cash flow shortfalls, and ensure you have sufficient funds for upcoming expenses. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.